Hi, my name is Jigar Shah, and I'm so excited to be the new director of the Department of Energy's Loan Programs Office. Since its founding, the Loan Programs Office has helped America's innovators get their best clean energy ideas off the ground. With our assistance at the start, Tesla scaled up its first factory and is now the world's leading electric car company. Under Secretary Granholm's leadership, I'm excited to say the Loan Programs Office is back open for business. We're ready to go big on the world's most exciting clean energy ideas and put Americans to work turning those ideas into reality. We have more than $40 billion in loans and loan guarantees available to help deploy energy infrastructure projects in America. And we're going to improve the program so it's easier and less burdensome for businesses to apply for loans. We'll bring brave ideas to life that save families money on their bills, reduce the health impacts of pollution, and combat the effects of climate change. We're ready to finance renewable energy so no worker or community is left behind. We're ready to invest in clean vehicles, carbon capture, advanced reactors, and so much more. We can do this. The possibilities are endless, and I'm so excited to get to work.